Yanks RV Park was our next stop, and they have Good Sam discounts. The park itself is located about 130 miles or so south of San Francisco in the middle of some large farm fields. Most of the spots are pull-through on concrete slabs with decorative wood chips and shrubs, along with picnic tables, stand-up barbecues, and full-service hookups. The ends of the aisles have big grassy areas, so you are never truly on the end. They have an enclosed dog park area, along with laundry, pool, and lots of other amenities, all of which is immaculately maintained. They have folks in golf carts to direct you into your spot and help you with any questions that you might have. Although off the beaten path, this is by far one of the nicest parks we have stayed at to date. It is centrally located so that you can drive about an hour and do Big Sur to see the local sights, about an hour north to Monterey Bay.
While at Yanks, we took the opportunity to make a quick drive up the coast to the PCH on our first day to an iconic photo experience near Big Sur at the Bixby Bridge. The ride was a little unnerving for my wife, and this is her way of reminding me why she was uncomfortable. But the views were awesome and a great chance to get the drone out. Then a few selfies to send to family, but look closely at the base of the nearest major support. It appears to be an eagle's nest. Now, we never did see the homeowners, and of course, we are just guessing, but we will ask an avian biologist when we make it to the Sandy River in Oregon. So for now, back to the park. The next day, we loaded up the truck and headed off to Monterey. Where of course we stopped at the Monterey Bay Aquarium. The hits of the visit were number 1, the otters, and number 2, the penguins. We like the jelly displays, eels, sharks, kelp, and multitude of ocean fish as well. One more day at Yanks to gather all our footage and begin another edit. Then we pulled up our anchor and headed up the 101 to San Francisco. Our next park turns out to be quite unusual and a little hairy. You might say that it may give you pause when you think of staying there. see you next week for the details. Please, help us get this channel, your channel, off the ground. You can give it a big boost by subscribing, liking, and sharing all of our videos. And don't forget to look at our Facebook and Instagram pages as well. Travel safe. Take 29. End.